Hi everyone, this is Zach of Zach's Farm. Today I want to share a piece of my Korean American life. And I show my chicken house that I made from cutting tree. I built chicken house about 7 years ago. Now I'm using as a storage house. The reason is too hot in summer and too cold in winter for chicken. So I built again last year using one side concrete block and three sides, and the poles are made from my timber. Cutting tree and transformed lumber is fun to me. Let's take a look at my chicken house. My feeds are made of wheat, cracked corn, oat, layer pellet, shell and grass pellet, and I feed chopped vegetable every day from my garden. First time I raised totally cage free. There are many issues. They mess up glass, digging ground, and dangerous by wild animals such as eagle, owl, coyote, fox, and so forth. And I also need organic fertilizer, so I decided to build bigger chicken house. My chicken house is about 1,200 square foot. I think enough to them. Size is 20 by 60 feet. With 6 bay. I put enough of a wood chip about 6 inches high, also from my timber. I collect chicken manure with chip every 4 to 5 months, then ferment it, and I put it back to my garden. This chicken house is cool in summer and warm in winter because the one side of block looks like semi-underground. And front mesh window will be closed at night in winter. I collect about 60 to 70 eggs every day to share my family and to share my neighbor church member and finally bring to my restaurant. Thank you for watching my channel and God bless you and your family.